Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today I announced it in other videos, but as the 2019 year is ending, I'm going to focus more next year on pure electric cars. I am going to a little bit abandon plug-in hybrids. Plug-in hybrids do burn gas, so I'm going to focus and I'm going to push you to consider pure electric cars if it's possible. If it's not, plug-in hybrid is an excellent option. So I want to just give you an update of the top 5 pure electric cars that sold this year in the United States, the numbers and what is their future. So let's go right at it. Number 5, the Nissan Leaf, which used to be number 1, but number 5 Nissan Leaf sold this year 13,048 of the new model, the 150 miles. It's a little bit more, it's about 2,000 cars more than they sold last year. Looking forward for the future is the 2019, the 60 kilowatt hour battery, which will give you 200 plus miles. Hopefully it will come on time with all the shenanigans of Carlos Ghosn, who got arrested, so hopefully there will not be too much delay, even though I heard that there is one. Number 4 is the Chevy Volt EV. They sold this year 16,000 so far. There's one more month for the year. 16,907. It's much less. It's about 7,000 less than what they sold in their first year of the launching. I know a lot of people who own Chevy Volt EV. They really love it. It's a great little hatchback car, 238 EV mile with a fast charger, CCS. And hopefully that car will be continuing in the future, and there'll be more GM cars, even though I never sure with GM. Number 3 is the Tesla Model X, which sold this year so far 22,000 units, a little bit, tiny bit more than last year. And again, there's still a month to go, so there will be more. They sell about 2,000 to 3,000 a month. The Tesla Model X goes from a range of 230 to about 280 miles or so. It's a big SUV, up to 7 seats with those wings. Number 2, Tesla Model S, which sold so far 22,495. It's a little bit less than what they sold last year, and some people say, and I would agree, I'm a living testament of this, that the Model 3 stole some of the Model S sales, sedan to sedan. I will believe that, the price and all the new things that have. And of course, the number 1 Tesla Model 3, which I'm sitting right now in, really busted it beyond belief. Sold so far this year 114,532, which is 36% of the EV sales, all of the EV sales combined. That's unbelievable, really unbelievable. Now we got to a point of 5,000 to 7,000 cars production per week. And next year looks like a trajectory of probably 500,000 or more sales in the United States and around the world. So that is amazing. It's now in Canada, and you can configure it in Europe. So the future of Tesla Model 3 and Teslas in general, Model Y and all those who are coming in the future is amazing. I hope other car manufacturers are going to catch up and take this seriously, or else it's going to be too late. And you were warned. I am warning you. I've been warning you for a whole year now to get on board. Not only in the EV market, Tesla is threatening the combustion engine, the traditional gasoline cars. And I'm telling you too, you have been warned. All right, thank you everybody. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a Patreon and or shop on the Electric Israeli store. Get a nice t-shirt for Christmas, or a hoodie, or a mug, or a cup, anything you want. See you tomorrow, guys.